When I buy a property subject to, I always get a warranty deed from my seller. You'll have a lot of people, I've seen this in a lot of courses, they'll teach you, just get a quitclaim deed from your seller. And a quitclaim deed will work, but whenever you have the option of a quitclaim deed or a warranty deed and you're receiving a title, you always want the strongest deed possible. And that's always going to be a warranty deed in those states. Some states it's a grant deed. Whatever conveys title in your state, you want the strongest deed possible. Title companies, as a rule, don't like quitclaim deeds. It can become a problem for you down the road. So just be safe. They're going to sign whatever you put in front of them. Quitclaim deed or warranty, it conveys title. They're not going to care. Just get a warranty deed and you'll make sure that you're protected.